Skill level, beginner. Kid-sized construction. Hidden storage compartment. Durable wood and metal construction. Packaged with detailed, step-by-step assembly instructions. Skill level, beginner. Top reviews from the United States. Daughter loves this table. Bought for my 2-year-old for her bday. It seems a little smaller, shorter than other square ones I've come across at other people's houses, which is great since I bought it for a 2-year-old. At first I wished the little mesh cubby in the center wasn't there, but it's actually my daughter's favorite part. She loves hiding stuff in there and going through all the toys and the tea set she keeps in there. Definitely happy with my purchase. 1 year later update. Still 5 stars. This table has held up fantastically. Adults sit in the chairs, they are dragged around the house to be used as stools. Even the mesh pocket is holding strong with no rips. The table has been drenched in water time and time again. Everything wipes clean. No paint has stained its surfaces. The only wear to the whole table set is some chipped paint on the round piece of wood that covers the mesh cubby. I am beyond happy with this table and would buy it again.